Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston realtor. So when it rains in Houston, after quite a long time without rain, you enjoy it, and sometimes you just got to sit outside, and so that's what we're doing here. So we are in the new construction community of Westland Ranch here in League City. I've featured the community in a couple of videos so far as the model homes have gotten developed and finished out, and so we're here in DR Horton. Their model home has been finished for a couple of weeks now, and so we're here checking it out. We're looking at the Burnet plan. I'm excited to show it to you. I'm excited that DR Horton's in this community. They are offering some great incentives for buyers as far as the interest rate. So some of their inventory homes that they have going on right now are going for a 4.99 interest rate. And so that's quite an appeal for some of the buyers looking here. And so if you're interested in that, reach out to me. They're constantly working on new incentives and keeping it going throughout the community. And so I'm excited to show you around here. I'm excited to show you the model. And so if you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, here we are looking at the Burnet plan. This is a 2184 square foot home, 4 beds, 3 baths. There's a study that can be switched over to a 5th bedroom if you need, and a 2-car garage. So I will say DR Horton has some excellent incentives going on right now with this community, and so I am happy to keep you apprised of all of that information. But I want you to take a look at this 1-story plan by DR Horton. It's lovely. There's lots of options that you can do with it. Enjoy.